experiment with design changes, create a staging version for review, or spin up a new project based on a winning layout. Duplicating your site is the fastest way to get there. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share practical tips so you know exactly what to expect. First, log into your Weebly Dashboard. Use the same account where the original site lives, and if you manage multiple organizations or locations, make sure you're in the right workspace. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can access your sites and tools. Next, go to Sites. This is the hub that lists every website associated with your account. You'll see your sites in a list or grid view, each with its own controls. Take a moment to identify the site you want to duplicate so you don't accidentally copy the wrong one. Find that site and click the three-dot options icon, often shown as an ellipsis to the right of the site name. This opens the Actions menu for that specific site. It's where Weebly keeps helpful utilities like rename, settings, and the copy function we need. Now select Copy Site. Weebly will begin creating a full duplicate of the original. Depending on the size of your site, how many pages, images, and apps you've used, this can take a few moments. The copy typically includes your theme, page structure, and content, along with most design choices. Keep in mind that things tied to a specific live setup, like a custom domain connection or publishing status, aren't automatically carried over, which is helpful when you want a safe draft. When the duplicate appears, rename it to something clear and memorable. Weebly often labels it as a copy by default, but changing the name right away avoids confusion later. Use a convention like site name, staging, client review, or a date. Renaming here affects the internal title you see in the dashboard. It doesn't change your live domain or any public-facing URLs. Finally, open and edit your new copy. Click to launch the builder and review the pages, images, and navigation. Since this is a separate site, it's a great time to update branding, try new layouts, or test features without risking the original. Before you publish, review links, contact forms, and any integrations, and confirm the site has its own domain or a temporary address so you're not duplicating content at the same URL. When everything looks good, publish the copy on your timeline. That's it. You've successfully cloned your Weebly site and set yourself up for safe, efficient iteration.